Today for the Bitcoin price with DaVinci J15. Guys, believe it or not, this is a different video than all of the other videos we did. We were sitting here in the car and thinking about, man, when are we finally going to hit 100,000? Well, he came up with an indicator actually, quite randomly. We plotted it here on the charts, we will show to you. And what if I told you that this indicator, plotting the last 11 years for Bitcoin, predicts not only exactly if we are going to hit the 100K level, but also when. Guys, I can tell you something, watch this video until the very end. This is certainly a very, very special one. And before we are going into the charts, into our exact predictions and how to play this future volatility for Bitcoin, I want you to come to the most important question of the day. DaVinci J15, how are you doing today, my man?
I'm in Dubai. 5 by 5, man. Oh, wow, it's great here. We just finished coming back from a yacht.
Yeah, it was
that was like super yacht.
Yeah, by the way, follow DaVinci J15 and Chris MMCrypto over on Instagram. Look out for the blue verification check mark and you will see the stories and all of the good things. Also follow DaVinci J15. I will leave the links down below. But now I wanted to talk about this one specific indicator because we were sitting here, man. We were consolidating among the $60,000 level for quite some time. And the question everyone has is, are we going to hit 100,000? And more importantly, when are we going to hit 100,000? And you came up with an indicator. Maybe you can elaborate a little bit on that before I flip the camera and show the people what it's about in the charts.
Well, I was thinking, as we came back from the yacht and we were thinking, I'm like, you were asking me, what do we have for content for today? And I'm like, you know, Chris, we've been consolidating here for a very long time. I think it's time that we did a Fibonacci sequence level from the top all the way to zero. And see what the 1.618 says.
Exactly.
And I'm
so
like,
no one has ever done that before.
No one's done that anywhere on YouTube. No one.
So we did it, and I want to show you the result of that. And as you know, like the most important numbers in the Fibonacci sequences, whether it's the retracement, whether it's the extension levels, it's usually either the golden ratio for the extension or the golden pocket for the retracement, right? So the 61.8 or the 1.618. So what we did is we took the top right now and plotted it all the, the all-time high. We took the all-time high and took it all the way to the bottom of zero. Of course, zero is not in the charts because this is starting from 2010. Nevertheless, we took zero. We went all the way down and took zero here. And what you can see, guys, and this is very, very interesting. If we take the all-time high at 61,000 US dollars to the value of zero, then look at this. The 1.618 is at the magical $100,000 level. And if I were to plot that exactly here, it's like always a small rounding error. It wouldn't be even $100,300. It would be exactly 100,000 US dollars. So the question is it magic? What does it mean? Can you maybe give us some kind of interpretation, how we can read that and what this could mean for the Bitcoin price?
Well, we have seen models, right, that have taken us to 100,000. And now we've seen the Fibonacci level pointing to that direction. And so that's very important. What model have we seen last that pointed it to 100,000? Now, of course, that model has changed. It was the
stock to flow?
Yeah, stock to flow.
Yeah.
It was the stock to flow originally, and it was pointing to 100,000. They moved it up to 288 right now. But this is a very key level. This is a key level.
It's a psychological level, right?
Exactly. Exactly.
Imagine all like Wall Street Journal, Forbes, like it will be everywhere on the front page, guys.
And what's key about that level is that once we break that, I think that is the level where we'll see a 2-month rapid rise of Bitcoin that will explode into like well above the 288 level that's on the stock to flow level.
Yeah.
Well above that.
I remember you had one prediction. Of course, that's like the best case scenario for this bull market.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe you can elaborate a little bit on that.
Yes, and that's $1.2 million. And why do I say that? Why do I say that? It's because things are different now, right? Godzilla's come on the playground. He's printing as much money as he possibly can to keep the system going. And because of that, all corporations, like we talked about this on the boat so many times with so many people, right? I said, listen, we could look at this and do all kinds of models And all those models are useless. Why? It's because the Federal Reserve is printing 20 to 25%
per year.
Per year. Same with the ECB. Same with the
People's Bank of China.
People's Bank of China. Same with the Bank of Japan. The BOJ.
Oh, they're printing like crazy.
And so what does that mean? What does that mean in the end? It means that we cannot get a cash flow business, right? You have to go, if you want to get a cash flow business, you have to look for something that will produce more than 25% of
compounding, right? So that's even more in the future years.
So you want to put $100 on this business, you need to get $25 in the future in 1 year.
Yeah. That's true.
Does that exist anywhere?
And I want to know from you guys.
I
want to know from you guys in the comment section. What are your price targets? Do you think we are going to hit 100,000 US dollars rather sooner than later? Actually, much sooner than we thought. Let me know down below. Make noise for the algorithm. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. I am recording the screen.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Make noise for the algorithm, guys. And I'm always doing that.
Okay.
And let me know what you think about Da Vinci's comment right now. He thinks I'm a fool. Anyways. So I think we are going to wrap it up for today. If no one else has anything else to say.
I have to continue because this is important information.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah, I didn't know that you are not done yet.
Yes, there's more information here, right? Because here's the thing, right? Whenever we get to this point in history, right? If you go in history and we get to this point of money printing, what are the things you can do, right? So if you look in history and you say, okay, I'm going to go to Weimar, Germany. Okay, that's too far back in the past. Okay, no problem. Let's go to Argentina and Venezuela and Zimbabwe. What was the assets that you can say? What cash flow business can you get into in any of those countries that would actually save your skin?
None.
Exactly.
Zero.
Exactly. There was no cash flow. So if you can find a cash flow business that gets 25% or more per annum, please link it in the description below because I want to know that cash flow business because I'm buying into that company and so are you.
That is certainly, I would. Right, not in a high inflationary environment, but otherwise I would.
Exactly.
Thank you very much for that today. I mean, this was a very, very special one. This was certainly an important one. Let me know what you think about that, guys. I know it was a very bullish one, but I think this is what we need every now and then. $100,000, that would be something I would be looking out for. Of course, go down below. There is davincej15.com. You get access to Pandora's wallet. You get access to basically this is live streams ahead of time and everything. Click the link down below. Also you get $700 US down below if you click the links. Bybit, Phemex, 2DEX. After your initial deposit you can trade this volatility as well if you are an experienced trader. Otherwise, buying and holding is the right strategy to go. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching, guys. And any last things to say?
Always play from a position of strength and do not get wrecked.
Do not get wrecked, guys. Thank you so much for watching and really see you in the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, bye bye.
You remember to